Today, we'll be describing this photo of a beautiful seaside location. This picture will be described at 3 different English levels, starting with an elementary level, then intermediate level, and finally, an advanced level description. First, listen and read along as we describe it at those 3 levels. Afterwards, I'll show you some vocabulary that's mentioned for the elementary, the intermediate, and the advanced level. There are many people sitting on chairs by the sea. The chairs have blue and white stripes. Some people are under big umbrellas. The sky is blue with some clouds. The water looks shiny in the sunlight. The picture shows a rocky seaside area where people are relaxing on deck chairs. The chairs are covered with blue and white striped fabric, and several large umbrellas provide shade. The sun is shining brightly, making the sea sparkle. The sky is partly cloudy, adding texture to the scene. In the background, a small boat floats on the water. The place feels lively and perfect for a summer holiday. The photograph captures a sun-drenched coastal terrace built among jagged rocks, where holidaymakers lounge in classic blue and white deck chairs. Striped parasols punctuate the scene, casting cool pools of shade over relaxed sunbathers. The midday light glitters across the deep blue sea, while gentle waves break softly against the stone outcrops. A small boat drifts lazily in the distance, adding a hint of movement to the otherwise tranquil atmosphere. Overhead, cottony clouds drift through a bright azure sky, completing the idyllic seaside tableau. Now let's look at the vocabulary mentioned at each level. We'll start with elementary. And here is some of the vocabulary from the intermediate level. And finally, here are the meanings of the advanced level words. All right, now it's your turn. Can you leave a comment and write your own description of this picture? Try to use some of the vocabulary that I taught you at the end of the lesson. And if you haven't yet, please hit the subscribe button, the like button, and the notification bell. I really appreciate it. Tune in soon for another video. All right, bye-bye. Thank you.